How are you doing? How are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing 5 more hairstyles today using ribbons. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe because we are going to be doing lots more videos like this, basically festive hair videos for the holidays. You guys loved my last video so much where I was doing the 5 different hairstyles with ribbons and bows, and today we are back doing more ribbon and bow inspired. Today I'm just going to be using these 2 green ribbons. These are actually from a little holiday set from the company Day that they sent me, so I just felt inspired again to do more ribbons. So we're going to create some looks together today, so stay tuned if you're interested. We are just going to hop right into this, but I did want to give a little disclaimer. My hair is dirty, so that is going to help me create these looks. I feel like sometimes we have more grit and texture, your hair holds even better. As well, if it looks like I have a little bit more hair in my head than normal, I am wearing a halo hair extensions that is literally $10 off of Amazon. It's amazing. It's in here. It's in the color light auburn and it was $10. So just in case you're wanting to get that, I love putting it in when I'm doing hair looks like this because it gives me that extra volume and extra thickness. So we're starting off with a really simple little ponytail loop, basically, whether you have straight hair, curled hair. I'm embracing kind of the curls I've got going on, and then we're going to put a ribbon around it. So just watch this next clip if you're trying to understand what the heck I'm even talking about. But it's a super cute one. You guys, I took my first ribbon, made a bow around the loop, then took the second ribbon and just basically took a bobby pin and pinned it right on top so it would look like one bigger bow. And there you have the simplest little Christmassy hairstyle using the ribbons, and literally anyone can do this. It's literally a loop with a bow around it, but I feel like it's so cute and festive. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this one. Super, super easy. Starting off really simple. Alright guys, for the next hairstyle, we're just keeping actually that ponytail we just had. I just pulled out the loop so that we just have a plain ponytail, so still have some bits around our face. And this is going to be like a low bun with a bow headband. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to begin braiding my entire ponytail using some of my elastics to kind of secure the end. So doing lots of small braids in the ponytail to create this like cool, sophisticated, edgy bun. Okay, so I finished braiding the entire ponytail. I look like an octopus. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take about half the braids and twist them one way and take half the braids and twist them the other. So kind of give you an idea, taking one section, twisting it around and pinning, and then taking the other section the other way. This has already turned out so cute and like so sophisticated looking. So I'm going to take my 2 ribbons again from Day using the same ones, and I'm actually going to tie these together, keeping the, the logo on the end, and then tying these together because I want to create like a headband with a bow back here. Hey you guys, here's the finished result. This is so cute too, with the bow tucked underneath the bun. Again, you can use any ribbon you have, and you can make it a big bow, small bow, whatever you want. And then of course you got this super like braided bun, and it's just super chic, sophisticated. This is it from the front. Of course, you've just got the bow headband, and then boom, the cutest little bun with the cutest little ribbon. On to the next one. Okay, moving right on to the next one, we did a bubble braid in the last video, and this is going to be another bubble braid, but with a twist, and I'm really excited because I've actually personally never done this before, so we're going to do it together now. I'm going to do a ponytail to start off. Of course, it's a bubble braid, but I'm going to do a little bit of a higher ponytail, so I just need to readjust where my ponytail is. Okay, so now we've got our ponytail. What we are going to do is, before I begin doing the bubble braid, I'm going to take a tiny piece from the very top of my braid, almost just like this, like a piece of hair. And I'm going to braid this piece of hair, and then it is going to stay kind of in the center of each of our bubbles when we make the bubble braid. So that might sound a little confusing, but let me just braid this piece of hair first. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do my normal bubble braid, but I'm gonna have a cute little braid detail through the back. So I'm gonna turn around so that you can see what I do. Alright, so now that I've got that bubble braid with the braid, I'm just going to take my 2 ribbons and do a bow at the top and a bow at the bottom. Okay, you guys, this is the other hairstyle finished bubble braid with braid and bows. It's a tongue twister. Give you a final look at it. It's super cute, so easy. Bit of an elevated bubble braid moment. Be perfect for like a Christmas party, you're having friends over. I wore my hair like this over the weekend and it was just, I felt so cute. So let me give you another look at it. Alright, on to the next hairstyle. For our next look, we are starting off with a low ponytail. I just went ahead and did it off camera because I showed you how to do a low ponytail at the beginning. Basically exactly the same. This one's just super smooth. Around the face, you could always take a bristle brush and really smooth it down with a strong middle part, but it's literally just a low ponytail using my gimme hair ties, by the way. That's what I've been using this whole time. I love the gimme hair ties because they don't pull your hair, but they're strong. And then I went ahead and I tied my 2 ribbons together to make it a bit longer because we're going to be doing kind of an intricate ribbon situation with our ponytail. We're going to split the ponytail in half and wrap ribbon around each half, but separately. That literally doesn't make sense, so just watch this clip super slowly. Will, who edits it for me, will zoom you in because it's a bit confusing. So just keep watching. What? Here it is. I know that was a little confusing, so rewatch it if you're confused, but I want to show you the result. You just twisted the ribbon around each half of the head and secured it at the bottom. And it's just like a chic, sophisticated hairstyle. I feel like I'd wear this if I was wearing like a nice dress or something because it kind of is giving me like runway, like Louis Vuitton feels. So I wouldn't wear this with a t-shirt, but it is a really fun one to have like in your pocket that you could do because it's just fun and different. But yes, this is it. This is the final result of our 4th hairstyle, and I love it. And it was super simple, despite how weird it looked. So let's go to the next one. For this next one, it's probably the easiest of them all, but I love the way it looks. We're keeping our low ponytail, and I'm simply going to braid my ponytail, and then I'm going to put a ribbon on it, but I'm going to show you a certain way I want to do the ribbon with this type of look. So let me braid this ponytail. Okay, so now that I've got my hair just in a braid, I actually like to sometimes pre-make the bow and take a little bobby pin, slide it through the back of the bow, and then directly pin that onto my hair. It just allows for that perfect bow look, and I will also do that for the end, and I'll slide it through that hair tie. So I'm just going to pin this in my hair. Here's the finished look with the 2 bows bobby pinned onto our braid above the hair ties. Super simple. This was the easiest one. I think I said one of the other ones was, but this definitely is the easiest one. It's so cute. It's a classic, and it just screams all Christmas and holidays to me. And that is our 5th and our final look of all of the Christmas inspired hair ribbon, hair bow hairstyles part 2. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed learning some maybe new hairstyles. You'll have to let me know if you're gonna try one of these out. I personally keep re-wearing all of these hairstyles because they're so fun. I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you liked and subscribed. It means the world to me. This is the most fun community over here, and I cannot believe how the channel's growing and how many of you are loving the content. So please join the family, and I will see you in my next video. Sending you guys all of my love and all the holiday well wishes. All right, bye.